What's up, my lords? Welcome back to day 3 of the model home tours. Hey guys, this is the first home, single story home I'm showing you guys. It is a Lennar home and it's in the Consenza. Okay. That's cool. Got a nice little walk-in closet. And then they have the Jack and Jill bathroom. I like how the sinks are very far apart. Bathtub. The second room with the basic closet. I don't know if you can see this room from this angle. There's this over here. I guess room, bathroom. And they have the high. I was gonna say they have the laundry room downstairs, but this is a one-story house. But this is cute too. A lot of storage space for detergent and stuff. They have the utility sink. I like how wide the walkway is. I'm not getting the razzle dazzle. I like all the cabinets. It's a big pantry. But I think that's the garage door right there. What's a part of it too? Oh, this house has where this door can be closed off, and it's another unit over here, so it has but it doesn't have a stove. That'd be cool if you could make some money off of this little area. Rent it out as a 1-bedroom. And that's a pretty nice size bedroom. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. Basic shower. A walk-in closet, and then they even have their own washer and dryer. I think this was called the Millennium something. And this, oh no, you don't have to do that because they have this door, a whole nother entrance. That's cool because I can make this my beauty salon. Separate entrance from the main house. Don't need a stove in it. That would be real cool. And there's a lot of space in here. The backyard is a nice size too, you guys. Way bigger than the other ones the other day. Let's see what the primary bedroom is giving. It's a nice size. Got the big bed too. Oh, you guys, guess what I see? Guess what I see? Ooh, look at the tub. sink separated. I like that. Because that's how it is at the house I stay in now. Look at the shower, you guys. Little vanity area. Ooh. A huge walk-in closet. It's the tub for me, you guys. It is the tub for me. And so among the other homes that I really, really like, it didn't have a tub, but in the building process, I can say, I don't want the tub. I don't want the shower. Just give me a tub shower combo, separate. I like the light in here too, in the windows. It'd be cool if it had some type of view. Advertising swimming pools. It's cute, but I don't know. I don't know if I like it like that, you guys. So it's one. Let's go through this again. One, two, 3 bedrooms. And then they have that other side that's like separate from the house. It's connected, but it's basically a 1-bedroom unit that you can make money off of for sure. But who want to rent something out and you don't have a stove? You just get what, a microwave and what? Let's see if they got some water in here. Oops, somebody has some Gatorade. I need some water. How inconsiderate of them to not have no water for me. And even if I did use this as a salon area, I don't know, because in order to have a salon, at your home, you do have to have a separate entrance from your main house, and this right here would give it, this door would give it the separate entrance. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I'm confused. Let's look at this bedroom again. Oh, this is called the next gen house. This area, this part of the house is called next gen. This is a nice sized bedroom. It almost looks like it's bigger than the primary bedroom. And then this has a door leading to the outside, the backyard patio. So, I think he said this one was move-in ready with everything in it. But I'm not even sure. That's kind of different right there. And I like how they have this big picture right here in this hallway. It's the tub for me, but I just can't base it just on the tub, you guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. Because I'm confused. I need to see more single stories, because this is just the first one. So I'm going to have to look up single story homes for sale in Las Vegas, because they have let you guys see what the house looks like. from the outside. And they're still building this community. You guys, I just left that community with the one bedroom, the first one bedroom, not one bedroom, single story. I don't know if I was feeling it. I mean, I wasn't getting that. I just did get that feeling. So let me know what you guys think about it. Because I'm really not getting the feeling. And it seems like most of the two-story homes are the ones that I like, but I don't want two stories. So we shall see. Okay, my lord, I didn't see any more single-story homes in my area for some reason. They're not building a lot of single-story homes, but I'm gonna come back probably tomorrow, and I'm gonna see if I can find more single-story homes near or around my community. But they don't have very much in demand for single-story homes. I don't know why. So I headed to Sprouts. I wanted to get some flowers for this vase that I got. Well, I had flowers in a vase that my son gave me for Mother's Day, and the vase is so pretty I want to come and get some flowers. So here I am at Sprouts looking for flowers. I don't even know why I started going to other parts of the store. I left out of Sprouts with nothing. I was just feeling drained, you guys, because on this day it was 105 degrees. So yeah, I didn't even get that plant that was in the basket because that wasn't $15.99. It came up to 24 something, and I was not gonna pay 24 something for those little flowers in a mason jar. Okay, I did not get those flowers from Sprouts because when they rung it up, it was $24. I wish I would. So now I'm in Kroger's, and I'm about to get Smith's out here, but you guys call it Kroger's in the South. And I'm gonna see what their flowers are looking like. These are colorful, but that's not the kind of colorful I was talking about. This is, I don't know, sort of. I guess this right here. Now I'm some yellow too. Yellow and I want some yellow and ooh, this is the best looking one right here. Hi. Okay, you guys, I got them situated in the vase, and I think it looks so pretty, simple but pretty. Just the right amount of roses, I don't know what those white flowers are, or those yellow ones, but whatever the hell they are, I think they look very, very cute in my vase like that. Put a little bit of water in them. And that packet right there, I was told that you're supposed to put that packet in a few days after you had your flowers when they start dying, and it brings them back to life. But guess what? I'm putting it in right now because I always forget, and then my shit be dying. Look at that. Looky, y'all. I love it. That's pretty. Oh, I think I need another vase like that. I hope I can find one like that so I can have a different color for that. But I think I want the flowers over here now. Looking at it from this angle. What y'all think? I don't know. Put over some more. For some reason, it looks more cozy over here. Yeah. Oh, I just love it so much. Gotta send my some. Yep, I like it over here, you guys. You need to push down in there some more. Okay, that's that. Those are my flowers that I got from Kroger's for $9.99. And then the flowers at Sprouts, they didn't even have this many colors in it. They didn't look this pretty, and they were $24. I wish I would. I don't W-I-S-H, I W-U-S-H. I wish I would. That looks so pretty, you guys. Don't you love the vase? It was also Taco Tuesday that day, and that was my breakfast, lunch, and dinner.